Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Amy from With Love by Amy, and today is day 8 of the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar series. Thank you so much for stopping by, and if you're new here, I will be doing this every day in December. So, today it looks like we got a vase and some flower dies. This is interesting. Definitely not something I would choose for myself, just because little PC stuff like this is not in my wheelhouse, really. But we'll give it a whirl. All right, so I'm going to die cut the vase itself twice out of vellum. This is like a heavy vellum, so it's not as see-through as some of the other stuff. But we're going to do that twice. And then I decided the stems, we're going to do them out of a light green and a dark green. All the stems and all the flowers, they're all going to get light green and dark green. Because I'm going to layer them just to give them a little more dimension. And also, I kind of want to just like mix it up a little bit. Like maybe the stem will be the light green and then the leaves will be the dark green. Or maybe one leaf will be dark green, one leaf will be light green. That's my thought process here. So that's why we're going to die cut them several times, just because it'll be fun. And then I know that the image in the advent calendar showed just one flower and a bunch of leaves, but I'm going to do several pink flowers. So we're going to do the light green and the dark green, and I saved you all the boredom of watching me die cut all of those in their different colors and all the things. But we have some light green, we have some dark green stems, and some light pink and dark pink for the flowers. And then I realized as I was assembling them that the centers of the flowers have many different components to them. So I decided I would go over with my Olo marker on some of them and just make them a tad bit darker than they already were. And I showed you the color there just a second ago, just to like add a little variety to it, because my two colors weren't, I felt like there wasn't enough variety with just those two colors that I had done. And I do like that they had like an indentation to show you like which way that center cone part, I'm not a flower person, so I don't know what that center cone thing is called, but like the center part of the flower to show you kind of which direction it's supposed to face. That's very helpful. I appreciate that, because you know, PC die is not my thing really, but this is fun. It's taken me outside of my comfort zone, really, it is. So we're going to assemble all these, and it's tedious. And yes, I do forget to grab my little reverse tweezers that are probably right out of reach there, you know, like right out of camera sight. Oh, there, I got them now. Good for me. I feel like I just struggle to remember to get them on a regular basis. I don't know why. But we're kind of like alternating the dark pink and the light pink. And it's hard to tell with some of these. That's why I put the marker on some of them. And here we are layering up the stems, like I said I was going to, with alternating the colors. I just thought it would give it some cool dimension to have like, and I offset them a little bit. As you can see there, I like, you know, when I layered the leaves, I kind of made it so you could see the other color behind the one color. And I'm just assembling them. And I'm going to use my reverse tweezers just, if I can get it to stay together. I'm having a clumsy night. If I can just get it to stick. And that's what I'll do. I'll just use the reverse tweezers and leave them on there for a minute so that the glue will adhere. And we're just going to kind of mess around there and see what that looks like. And I think I'm having an epiphany right here. We're going to take this blue Olo marker. We're going to draw water in this vase because I made it look clear. Because I thought about it and I was like, I can't really just leave this clear vase with these flowers in it where you can see the bottom of the vase and you can see that the stems aren't going all the way to the bottom. I can't leave it with no water. So I drew some water and then I also thought I need a space to be able to glue these two layers together. So we're going to take this K, which is the black Olo marker, and very carefully draw a small line around the edge of the vase. Would it look like this in real life? Meh, probably not. But my thought is that it will hide the glue line. So that's what I'm trying to do. I'm just trying to make a nice little line so that I can hide where the glue is going to be. And now we're going to glue these all with the glue on the back panel of the vase. So we're just sticking some glue on there where they're going to be inside of the vase. I like them. They're cute. All right, now that all the flowers are in the vase, I'm going to adhere the front layer of the vase with the water already drawn on it. And I'm just very carefully putting a fine line of that glue in my fine tip bottle. See, it's just right behind that black line that I drew around the edge of the vase. And this is art glitter glue. It has no glitter in it. I don't know why it's called art glitter, but it is. Alright, so this is the sentiment. I did die cut the sentiment in just regular white cardstock. And I put a black layer behind it. And then we're going to adhere that to the bottom of this panel that I have here. That panel is a metallic shimmer cardstock from Nina. I got it a long time ago, giant pack of it a long time ago from like Office Depot or something. So I don't even know if they sell the same variety anymore because it came with like a gold and this one was like a champagne and then there was like a silver and stuff. But I don't know. It was really cool and I like it a lot for layers. It just adds that little bit of dimension. And of course, because I'm using a darker red card base, we are going to put a white panel inside so you can write your message in there. And we're going to glue this down. And we're almost at the finish line. Let me know what you think of my card in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching and see you again tomorrow for day 9. Thanks, bye!